Hi everybody, so this is Miss Montemorano and I just wanted to do a quick room tour so you can see what your classroom is going to look like this school year. So over here we have our birthdays. This is our doorway and we enter in. Over here on our right we have our math wall. And next to our math wall we have our calendar, weather, and days of the week that we do every morning during morning meeting. We also have our voice levels over here. And then here is my desk over here where I'll be doing my work. And over here next to our smart board, we have our schedule. And we have some of Miss M's books for read alouds. We got our windows over here. We have our science and social studies wall over here. And then we have our desks and tables 6 feet apart so we can be learning in a social distance setting. And in our back corner, we have our library where we have lots of fun books that we're going to be learning to read this school year. We have our reading levels back here, some extra supplies that hopefully we'll be able to take out this school year. Then we have our writing wall over here. We're gonna display your amazing writing. And we have our reading and writing work over here and our word wall that's gonna get filled up. We have our alphabet over here up top. And over here we have some puzzles and math manipulatives that hopefully we'll be able to use. And that is our room. So welcome to first grade and I can't wait to see you.